guys.
Okay.
Nothing.
I don't.
How do you do that, Jack?
39. I need more
I'm gonna let you go. I'm
money.
gonna let you go for once. Don't
Yes,
do that
no
again.
way.
Tickle your pickle. Tickle your pickle.
Who wants to go
What?
to space?
Who said tickle your pickle?
Me. Oh. Me.
That's
Me, I
just
do. I do.
that was just crazy.
You skip crap on me, bro.
Can I have one of the things,
get
please? Can I have one of
This?
those?
Get back.
Yeah. I only have a stick. Thanks. I'm going mining.
So, don't go in that room over there. There's a little fish thing.
I know. I'm just doing this. Nope. Thanks for that. I'm gonna get some more because need some money in the game because I'm a broke boy. So, anyways, oh, that's so much gold. Bro, every time when I collect gold, like in the game, it gives me money, like so much money. Bro, how did I just like get the money? Bro, making that noise. First, I'm gonna try to get research point. Nothing.
Yeah, I don't know how weird an actual kill hammer is.
Nothing. Come on. Got so much money in this game. I'm proud. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so sad that you really have to do that?
Going this way. Not anywhere near that way. Oh, no.
I'm actually gonna
almost
come in you,
fell.
Blue.
Ha 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 ha.
Dirty black.
I'm almost close to
Oh my gosh, I missed the old map.
Yo, stop. Stop. I need something. I just need something out of it. I just need...
I'm gonna
Get on! Who wants to get on? Free ride!
I'm keeping this since I'm gonna need it.
Nice shot, bro. Nice shot.
I'm gonna like actually need this. Now I have to go in here. I'm gonna have to turn down my volume since I don't want to hear the noise. It scares me and it freaks me out. Okay, my volume's down, so I barely can hear anything. So I'm going. Oh, not that way. Why does the path change every day? Sir, please let me go. Sir, you got the wrong person, sir. Whoa. Oh.
Hey, you wanna go mining with me?
Oh. Oi. Bro, please, no, again? Bro, again? Are you serious right now? Serious right now?
Now step down. Good boy.
How do you
No
do
one to
that?
ride.
Yo, bro, can I please try, bro? Please. I don't see him. No, can I launch you? Here, let's
somebody-
launch into a private car.
Can somebody please give me a broomstick?
Orange, I'm on it,
I
orange.
need a broomstick. Somebody please give me a broomstick.
Can I trade you?
Hey, got a weapon.
What you doing with that big fat boy? You have to trade for it.
captured by the monster in order to get to the jump rope. It's over here.
No, no items.
It's in sewers. It's in sewers.
Come here, bro. I'll give you some coins.
Coins? What do you mean coins?
Look.
So that's what you're supposed to use for?
No, you can do a claw machine where you get 4 powers and you can fly. If you're a Fortnite, that means you can go like that.
Do I get any money?
I got it! Look! No, here.
Lucky.
Here's 4 powers.
Bro, you're lucky. Yeah, so I want
I
some
got more
more.
coins.
Really?
Yeah. I got like 3 more. I got like 3 more too.
I'll trade for a tiny boombox. Whoever needs that, go on stage.
There you go, there you go,
I found this on the ground now.
What did I get?
You didn't get anything. Sometimes you don't get anything.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't know.
Sorry.
I actually dropped that out of the ground.
I'm still like 4. Then I think I got 1 more.
Did I get it?
Oh, you got bigger.
Anybody at the circus?
That's my last coin, and then we can go get shot by
You can have it.
No, bro, you can
If
have
I go to the circus with you, I'm gonna kill.
And then we can form.
I got bigger.
Okay, bro. Let's go do it.
Dude, how are you flying?
Nah, you're not. Bro, how can he still hit me? Well, this is gonna be a
You
piece
in
of
stage
hate.
5? I need that, bro. Bro, whoever needs that, go on stage 5 and right there. Wait.
I'm flying across jump rope.
Bro, I need that. Whoever wants to get into a war, take that item. Bro, I need that.
I got a trampoline.
Please, for stage 5, bro. I want to kill
What?
someone, please.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, bro.
Hey,
Okay, we gotta get you 4 powers.
yeah, tiny blue box. There you go.
My butt cheeks kind of hurt.
Okay.
I need
But
that
watch
from
his low
someone.
TV
Please,
version.
someone go to stage 5. I need that.
What am I gonna get? I got bigger.
Bigger.
Hello,
My Sigma's kind of
little minions. Hello, minion.
If you die, it
A
resets.
person with a broom is walking into
Here.
stage 5.
Just die.
How about that?
Yo, here you go.
Ah, fuck, don't run! Don't run! Not little.
I didn't get bigger. How do I do this?
What do you do?
Wave your arms if he farted and made a fart noise. Wave your arms. Yeah, see?
Hey, at least he gets to
Give
fly.
it to you.
Boom! Yay!
You're kind of already enemies.
Want to fly. I got bigger!
Bigger. Go eat some broccoli.
No, come back in here, bro. Come back.
I don't have enough for broccoli.
Go, there you go.
I ain't coming with you. You have 2 revolvers. You think I'm
Low key, my butt cheeks start hurting.
purple
My
skeleton?
butt cheeks are like. You still oh my goodness. You're half big! You're half. I got bigger! I got bigger! I'm normal size!
I still
Every time I
can't
see you,
jump.
gotta say
I gotta keep this entertainment. I gotta keep. Yes.
no, cause purple skeleton.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. E.
Skeleton, I need that for real, bro. Come back in here, bro. Come back, bro. Get my
I'm
point.
stuck. I can't go in there. I can't get out of the map. I can't get out of the circus. Bro, how do I get out of the circus? gonna end it. Bye, guys.